Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you how you can extract the text from image using Python. It's very easy. So first you need to import the Python library that is easy OCR and has OCR. You can assign to the OCR this library and then import the CV2 library as using as CV. So first need to initialize the easy OCR with English language. So we're going to that is reader is equal to OCR dot reader and going to use only extracting the English language. So that's why I entered the English as in short form in EN and then importing image variable to image CV dot image reader and then this is the going to apply the path and that is validation.gpg and then that now here is the main part. So I'm going to extract the text from this image using OCR, so using this reader variable and this image using result equal to reader or read text from that image and going to the detail. So just need to text, not the details. So I'm going to print that text in the result, and here I am going to run the this file. Sorry, and we have to wait around 1 to 2 minutes, so it will be showing to result. So here you can see the result, and here is the image. So you can see this is the result from that image. So that's it.